Right. Move the camera around a little bit. So what I'm going to make here is a chicken dish. So we've got peppers. In here is parsnip, carrots, sweet potato and celeriac. One tomato cut into four. One onion cut up roughly, and one shallot cut in half at the moment, but I might just put that in otherwise. And about 50 ml of oil and some chicken breasts. Here we have our pan. So let's get the pan on. The oil in. Swirl that oil around. So it covers the bottom. Just let it heat up a little bit. And press in your onions. Just let them sweat down a little. We'll have the kettle on in a minute. We're going to need some hot water. Then by the sound of the central heating on there, because it is mid-autumn. Well, getting that way. I like my vegetables chunky. So, you know, so you can see me. Always a good thing. And that's coming on nice now. There's a nice smell. There's this nice smell of the onions cooking. Got that, so I'm just going to turn the heat down just a little bit. And obviously at this point I want to make sure that I start cooking the chicken. So what I need to do is drain off the chicken. Right, so now the chicken's drained off. I want to now put it in. Put it in whole. Put it in whole because I want them to sealed off on the outside. And I'm getting this gate now. There you go. I'll get it in a bit. Now, the boil water, I'll just pour the water in here to boil. As you hear it now, it's calmed down. Let's go wash my hands. When you're handling raw meats like chicken, specifically, always wash your hands afterwards. It's better than getting nasties in your stomach, isn't it? So, chicken's coming along nicely, and what I'm going to do at this point is add a stock cube or two. Now, to make sure I know what my stock cubes are, I keep them in packets. The main ones, the supermarkets variety, you can use any you like. Two chicken cubes. I want a nice thick rich gravy. So right at this point, a little bit more water. And I'm going to pop in my stock cubes at this point. And they're going to break down and they're going to add a really rich, thick chicken flavour, which is chicken. So we want a thick chicken flavour. Would be nice. So fill that up in there. Get some more hot water. So what I do is, I don't want to fully cover the chicken, I just want to, straight up there. So, but I want those stock cubes to cook in there. So just whack the heat up a little bit. So I'm just checking, turning the chicken over to see how it is. See if we can get that a little bit closer over here. See a bit better. Maybe. Right. So we've got that chicken in there now. My next thing is the shallots. I'm just going to drop the shallot in there. It's cut in half, but I'll leave it, as that is. Pop the top on. Why am I cooking it this way? I want to cook it this way. It's kind of it makes it really rich, opens up, and I kind of want to have the chicken differently. I want it as a whole piece, as a fillet, and I think cooking it this way affords that. So now I'm going to put in the tomato. And I'll start to introduce some of the veg. So normally what you do with veg is you go by which cooks the longest, what takes longest to cook. So in here we have celeriac, and we've got the white, which is celeriac. We've got the pinky orange colour, which is the sweet potato, carrots and parsley. Now out of these, the ones that take the longest are the sweet potato. So I've cut them down, right down. The carrots don't take as much time, so they're in sticks, as is the parsley. The celeriac is about the same time, roughly, as the others. So let's start adding this. I'm going to put my veg in. I'm going to push the veg in to the water. Push the veg into the water. Lid goes on, beat goes on. We all know that. Peppers. There are many ways to cut a pepper. I don't need a whole lot. So I'm cutting sections off. And that's it. This is enough. So let's put the peppers in. About centimetre cube, something like that, if you're really bothered. Put them in a hole if you want. So just try and take the white stuff off if you can. It's not very nice, it doesn't taste nice. So just take that off. If the odd seed gets in, it's not going to hurt, but you know, not specifically required. Get all that in there. Lid on and heat down for a good reason. I don't want to cook the living daylights out of it. I want flavour in it and that. I don't want it to cook to death because later on I'm going to put it in a casserole dish and put it in the oven to cook some more. So this is just like making it so it's safe to do that really. I could put this whole pan in the oven, but to be honest I'd rather not. So I'm going to add to this some a little bit of other flavours. But I just want to get that going first and get this heating there and go on to the next bit.